My name is Michael May. I have been in Jingdezhen for 1 year, and I come from Oklahoma in the United States. I will be doing a performance outside where I will be creating furniture out of clay, and then at my booth I will be selling handmade mugs and coffee pour-overs, very similar to the styles that I made when I worked at the production studio in America. When I came to Jingdezhen, I brought two 3D printers with me, and then also a new plotter bot that does overglazed drawings. I think for the fair I want to try to make some more connections with pottery. I'm trying to find maybe some coffee shops or chagwan to maybe do a collaboration with. I really love Jingdezhen a lot. As being a potter, it's kind of the most famous place in the world to make pottery, and everything else. I like the food. I have many friends. The day-to-day life it's quite relaxed and easygoing.